Unveiling Transcend, Journey Beyond the Ordinary. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about expanding your understanding and truly connecting with the concepts. Today, we'll dive into the meaning of a word that goes beyond the usual limits: transcend. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it to express some truly profound ideas. Transcend is a verb that originates from the Latin word transcendere, where trans means beyond, and scendere means to climb. When we use the word transcend in English, we are talking about going beyond a certain limit or range. This could be physical, but it's often used in a metaphorical or spiritual sense. For instance, consider the phrase, transcend boundaries. This doesn't mean someone is literally climbing over a fence. Instead, it refers to overcoming obstacles that might be mental, cultural, or theoretical in nature. Let's look at some examples to see how transcend is used in various contexts. Personal growth: she was able to transcend her limitations and achieve her dreams. Cultural barriers: the universal language of music can transcend cultural differences. Philosophical ideas: some believe that the soul transcends physical existence. In each of these sentences, transcend indicates moving beyond a certain point or state, reaching a higher level of existence or understanding. Collocations are words that are often used together. Here are some common collocations with transcend. Transcend the ordinary: to go beyond what is normal or usual. Transcend expectations: to exceed what people thought was possible. Transcend tradition: to go beyond established customs or beliefs. Using these collocations in your conversations or writing will not only enrich your vocabulary but also make your English sound more fluent. It's important to note that transcend is not used for simple physical actions. You wouldn't use it to say, he transcended the street, when you mean, he crossed the street. Transcend implies a deeper, more significant process of going beyond a barrier or limit, especially in a metaphorical sense. I hope this exploration of the word transcend has been as enlightening for you as it is to actually transcend something in life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and meanings they convey. Keep learning, keep transcending your own limits, and soon you'll find yourself communicating in English with ease and depth. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language adventures. Happy learning!